Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm going to do some catching up. This is the next savings challenges for the first week in May, because as I said, I'm behind, so I'm really trying to catch up. So it's all about the rolling the dice today, so let's get started. £140 as usual. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 30, 40. We're gonna first start off with the 100 envelopes challenge, and I usually roll the dice, and whatever number the dice lands on, I count the envelopes and I stuff them. Whatever the amount on the envelope is, that is what I stuff. I normally do it twice. So let's do reds, a couple of reds. All right. How have you been keeping? I hope well. I've not been bad myself. Right, so we've got 5. 4 and 1 is 5, so I will count 5 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see what envelope that is. That's £20. And let's do another one. So that's 6 and 4 is 10, so we'll go again. Oh, I got interrupted by my phone there. So 6 and 4 is 10, so we'll count 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that's £10. Lovely. So we stuff those. And put them behind here where this divider is. That's all the stuffed ones. Just make sure. Yeah, that's all the stuffed ones. Doesn't look like much, but that's a savings in there, right there. Next we have the big roll the dice. I'll just get that out. Blue. Let's see how we get on with that. See if I've got enough space here so you could see. Yep, that's 5. There we go, 5. Let's mark that off. And a 6. Let's see if we've got a 6 available. No 6s. No 6s. But we can do a 5 and 1. So that's £11. Let's just do 10 and call that a day. So big dice. And then we've got the small dice. Let's do white. Oh, 6. Let's see if we've got a 6 here. 6. And let's do another one. 1. 6 and 1. Let's do another one. Might have to do some change. That's 7 and 6. So that's 6 and 6 is 12, 13. Let's do another one. 4. 12, 13, and 4 is 17. So we'll just round that off as £20. I like that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And the mini green challenge, which I like so much. Let's do green. Let's do green. So that's 12. 12. I think I'm gonna, because this is gonna seep right through. So let me get my pencils. It's gonna seep right through. And let's get that to lean on. Shall I use a darker green? A dark one. There we go. So that's 12. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 1. And that's 6. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 5. I've got to mark it down because I'm just going to forget. So what do we get? I don't like that green. Okay. Let's get a better green. This one. Yeah, that's better. So that's 6. Let's do another one. See how we get on with that. That was lovely. 6. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another 5. So that's 11. That's 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another 5. That's 15. And let's try another one. Bring it up to 20. So that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 15, 16, 17. 17, should we leave it as that? 17? Yeah, let's leave it as that and put 20 in. Yeah, it's better to just do it like that because I've still got to work on my roll and strike. Yes, I've still got to work on that. And let's do it. Okay, let's do a wooden one. Right, roll and strike. So I strike out with the red and I rub out with the green. The dark green. Okay, so let's go. 6. Okay, that's good. That's good. 1. 5. and another 5. So we've got 4 and 3, 7, and 2 is 9. So that's 9. That's okay. Let me just write that down. So let's round it off as a 10. And then we'll do another one. We'll continue. That's 2, 5, 3, 2. Okay, so 6 and 4 is 10 and 1 is 11. Let's just put 11 there, and we'll continue because I've got 20, 40, 60 to play with. So let's see what we can do with this. 1, 5, 2, 5. So we've got 6 and 4 is 10 and 3 is 13. Oops. 13. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Right, so parcels at the door. Oh, honestly. So we've got 11, 13 and 10. 34. I said it was 34. So I will get some change because I really want to save some for oh god, my brain's just not here today. For rollover. So we'll put 35 in. Yeah, we'll put 35 in for roll and strike. Let's just put that away. Roll and strike. Yes, that wasn't bad. I'm really pleased. I am very pleased with the outcome of that. It wasn't too bad, and I've got to save something very reasonable today. I've got 2 more next time round. 2 more boxes for roll and strike, and I have got £25 for rollover. Let's put that in there. Pleased with that. Everything worked out well. Okay, so we're getting there slowly. So I have got 1 more. I've got May the 10th. Oh, I've done May the 3rd. Oh god. May 10th. 140. Right, I'll get that done. I've got my debit card back now because the machine had chewed it up, and I'm just getting the money out to finish my savings challenges. I am on my way, so this week will be the 17th, so I've got the 10th and the 17th to catch up. I'm gonna do it. I am gonna do it. The money's there. I have no excuse. I still want to be accountable to you and myself, that I'm not carelessly spending any money, and everything is going really, really well. If you did like this video, I really would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back really, really soon. Bye for now.